Hi. I'm very happy to see you. Yeah, thank you for stopping by to learn with me, to learn the Igbo language lessons. Yeah, if you are from Igbo land, if you are an Igbo, okay, it's good as you made up your mind to learn your father tongue, to learn your father's language. And if you are not from Igbo, outside the Igbo land, and also decided to learn this language, maybe one or two things are prompting you to learn it. Okay, you don't need to be scared, you don't need to be afraid to learn the language. You are here with a native Igbo speaker. Okay, so first of all, my name is Kelechi. You can call me KC. And as I said, I'm a native Igbo speaker. I was born and brought up in Igbo land. So relax, feel comfortable, don't be scared. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to learn some basic Igbo grammar or sentences. You'll be able to communicate with people in Igbo land confidently. All right. Igbo is very simple to learn. It's very simple to learn. And you know that is a tonal language. Yeah, and that's what makes it different from other languages. Okay, so when I say a tonal language, you can use one word. One word, same spelling, can give you different pronunciations and different meanings. All right, so that is the reason why it's a tonal language. So the way you pronounce it, the way it sounds, will determine what you are actually saying. All right, you can have in mind to say something while you pronounce it, and it will give you another thing. All right, so for instance, one word like AKWA, all right, it can be aqua, which is clothes you wear on your body, like this cloth I'm wearing, aqua. All right, the same AKWA can be aqua, which is egg you eat. You see, it's different sound. The same AKWA can be aqua, which is the bed you lay on. And also, the same AKWA can be aqua, which is cry, aqua. All right, cry. So we now have aqua, and what? Aqua. All right, the same spelling but different sound, different pronunciation, different meanings. All right, so just sit back. At the end of these lessons, you'll be able to learn, to be able to use the common Igbo greetings confidently, give and understand simple directions, speak short Igbo sentences in daily life, identify and name everyday objects, and also ask and answer basic Igbo questions. All right, so sit back. I'll be right back.